Some physiotherapists say the barbell squat is one of the most dangerous exercises for your spine. Bodybuilders call it the king of all exercises. So, who's right? Well, let's find out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what squats are really doing to your spine. Squats are powerful. They build muscle, strength, and stability. That's why almost everyone in the gym does them. But here's what most people don't realize. They're not actually training their legs. They're slowly overloading their spine. And the scary part is, you don't feel it immediately. The barbell squat places weight directly on your spine. This is called axial loading. If your body is stable, your muscles handle the load. But if your form breaks, your spine takes over. And your spine is not built to carry that stress alone. Most people walk into the gym, add more weight every week, and assume they're getting stronger. But what's really happening is different. Their form slowly breaks down, and the stress shifts from muscle to joints to spine. And that's how injuries build, silently.
First mistake, your lower back rounds at the bottom. You might not feel pain right away, but every rep increases pressure on your discs. So keep your spine neutral, control the movement, and stop before your form breaks. Because one bad rep won't hurt you, but 1,000 will. Second mistake, no core bracing. Most people relax their core without realizing it. That leaves your spine unprotected under load. So take a deep breath into your belly and brace your core like someone is about to punch you. This creates internal pressure that stabilizes your spine. No brace means no support. Third mistake, forcing depth. Not everyone has the mobility for deep squats, and pushing too low forces your body into unsafe positions. Only go as low as you can while keeping control and proper form. Depth doesn't build muscle, control does.
Look at elite lifters like Ronnie Coleman. He trained with extremely heavy weights for years. That level of stress adds up over time. Today, he's had multiple surgeries and struggles to move normally. Your body keeps the score, whether you feel it or not. So, who's right? Well, both. Squats are powerful, but only when done correctly. Physiotherapists see the injuries, lifters see the results. The difference is technique. If your form is good, squats will build your body. If not, they will slowly damage your spine. Be honest, do you feel your lower back when you squat? Fix your form, protect your spine, and make your workouts actually work. And if you want to build muscle faster, watch this next video.